A very traditional, very rustic lentil and rice dish from the Arab world. Hey folks, I'm Aslin Law from linsfood.com. Today's recipe is one of the most requested recipes on my blog since I started blogging over 10 years ago. It's called Mujaddara. It is a very, very rustic dish requiring the most basic of ingredients. You've got lentils, brown or green lentils, or I like to use both, some rice. That forms the basis of the dish itself. And then you've got onions, lots and lots of onions, because the caramelized onions that we will be making add so much to the dish. In fact, they are a crucial part of the dish itself. And then of course you've got flavorings like salt and olive oil and a little bit of lemon juice, cumin, and so on. It's a very, very easy recipe to make. It's just a case of caramelizing the onions on the side, cooking the lentils and rice together, and then bringing it to all together into one glorious dish. Let's get cooking. There you have it. Super easy, right? So how do you serve this dish? It is, again, very simply served. In the Middle East, wherever you are, whether it's the Levantine area or the surrounding region, a lot of rice dishes tend to be very simply served. Now, you would be familiar with makluba if you're a long-time follower of mine. It's a recipe I've published sometime in 2012 or 13. To serve Mujaddara, all you need is a little bit of flavored yogurt and perhaps a salad that's comprised of cubed tomatoes, cucumbers, parsley, and a little bit of dressing. You'll find all that on my blog, lentsfood.com. As far as the yogurt itself is concerned, just add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, some mint, whether fresh or dried, and some chopped up cucumbers, and you're done. That's your accompaniment to Mujaddara. So there you have it. If you want to read up more about the dish, the ingredients, perhaps a little bit of the culture as well, head on over to my blog, lentils.com. The link is up there. Make it this weekend. You are going to absolutely love it. Mujaddara. I shall see you guys real soon.